pretty much good, I would say, because we have seen already that a lot of customers started their journey with virtualization, and they are moving towards various steps. So we call it as a three-stage adoption, what we have seen among most of our customers, wherein first they start with the, I would say, option of reducing the cost. So that is their first objective. That is where they go and try it out with the various technologies. VMware is one of the primary technologies where they use for the virtualization. Once they see the benefits of the cost reduction on the CapEx and OpEx, then they extend that adoption to the next level, that is on the production services. So that is where they bring in various automation tools, services, etc. Then the third stage is that where they go and put in self-servicing. That is where the users can go and I would say deploy their own servers or the services they want. So from that perspective, I think India is pretty much on this right stage right now. I would say most of my customers are on the stage 2, where they are trying out with the production servers, and soon the next step will be the complete cloud they will be doing. And in terms of the adoption, yes, there are technologies and the partners and the SIs who are available, who are ready to deploy to. Yeah. If you look at it, any technology that goes to the customers, they look for a trusted advisor. From that perspective, that is the key role that all our partners plays today, whether it is selling the servers or the desktops or the today's technology. In that perspective, from there, even for the cloud adoption, the partners will play the role of trusted advisor to the customers. And the role what they can play can be two. One is the cloud service provider, which is, I have seen some of our partners, my partners, I would say, that have taken the shape. They are offering the cloud services to their customers. And the second one is the cloud enablers. Cloud enablers, where these partners provide the technology and the services and help their customers to set up their own cloud or help their service provider to set up a cloud. So either one of these role will be played by most of our partners today. Because when we talk about the cloud, it is a, I won't say it's a new technology or the solution, but it's a way of computing or way of where you offer the computing services. From that perspective, for any partners or the resellers to go and communicate these to customers, they have to be a technology solution providers. The sheer box pushers will be continuing to sell the boxes. Maybe instead of selling it to the customer, they may be selling it to the service provider or the data center operator. But the solution providers will play a key role in helping the partners setting up their own cloud or moving into the public cloud. Yeah, one thing which I have seen very clearly is that the initiative that is taken by the VAR magazine is really important, because it acts as a bridge between the technology vendors like us and the SIs and the VAR partners, where we can go and communicate what they can do and tell our technology how they can do it. And also it gives a lot of ideas to them in terms of shaping up their business and putting up their business strategies in place for the partners. My expectation is that I would say this will be a good forum for me to communicate what VMware is doing in the cloud space, how we can help the partners to play, as I said, a cloud enabler or cloud service provider, how they can go and adopt our technology, and also communicate various programs which we have, which will help the partners to do their business more effectively and more profitably.